Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: available power, a stable connection, and an external or cloud target. First, scan your drives to get exact GB and percent used so you know limits. Once done, identify large file types to move or remove, prioritize photos, videos, and virtual machines. Make sure to prepare an external drive or cloud with at least 20% free overhead. This gets you into the action quickly and prevents surprises when you begin transferring data. You now execute the migration with a clear order. Move backups and infrequently used media first to free instant space. Use a verified tool, rsync, Robocopy, or a sync app, with verification enabled so you avoid silent corruption. Once transfers begin, chunk them into 1050 GB batches to simplify retrying failed parts and to monitor throughput. Make sure to maintain a running log of errors and durations. This helps you spot bottlenecks like CPU, disk I/O. You finish by verifying integrity. Run checksums or spot check critical files and confirm apps open correctly. Once verified, reclaim source space by deleting only verified copies, emptying the recycle bin, and running deduplication. Then adjust storage policies or set automatic archiving to prevent recurrence. If something goes wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Stop new writes, retry the failing batch with checksum compare enabled, and restore from the verified external or cloud copy if mismatch persists. This minimizes data loss and restores function quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.